2017 automation event in Houston. The top companies for industrial automation systems are here exhibiting all their innovative products. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor with the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. One of those top companies is eRPortal, and I'm talking with Ed. So Ed, for those who don't know, tell me what your company does.
I'm Ed Garibian. I'm the president of eRPortal. Our company is based in West Springfield, Massachusetts. We were founded in 2004. Our company develops and sells a suite of maintenance management software that our customers use as tools to protect and manage their equipment and infrastructure.
And you guys are an Encompass product partner with Rockwell Automation. Yep. What's that mean for your customers?
Yeah, so we've been an Encompass partner since 2012, and our products help give the end customer, the Rockwell customer, a higher level of return on their investment in automation.
And how do you differentiate your product from the others out on the marketplace?
So we sell our product into many industries: water, wastewater, energy, and manufacturing. So for instance, the role we play is using Rockwell intelligence from the control system in conjunction with our software. We essentially mitigate or eliminate production downtime for our customers. So for instance, if there's a motor or a pump, let's say there's an impending fault or something, eRPortal will actually notify appropriate personnel or person before this event occurs. Or let's say in the food industry, maybe there's a temperature parameter that if that reaches an out-of-spec state, that could indicate a batch problem, whatever. With eRPortal, the user can set up rules and procedures and instructions that in the event that out-of-spec condition ever occurs, again, appropriate personnel are notified, telling them exactly what the situation is, what the condition is, and how to fix it or address it.
That's really useful for your customers. Mm-hmm. So we're here at Automation Fair. What are you highlighting here at your booth?
So one of the value propositions that eRPortal has is the ability to trigger corrective action based on machine tags, machine parameters, and I think we do that better than anyone else. We also have a really rich mobile product that works in disconnected mode. If you're connected online, great. Otherwise, if you're in the field doing a maintenance work order or an asset inspection, no connectivity, that's okay. eRPortal keeps working. So today what we're showing is sort of our latest release. It's an HTML5 platform. It's adding a set of notification and workflow capabilities. Doug's going to actually show some of that today.
So we're here talking with Doug and Sweeney. So Doug, tell us what you're highlighting. Give us a little demonstration here.
Sure. Okay. So what we're showing is how eRPortal plays in the connected enterprise by interfacing with different Rockwell products. What we've had for some time now is the ability to integrate with tag information that's coming into us from FactoryTalk or any OPC server and trigger maintenance rules based on that. So for example, you can set up a trigger that basically says when the value of a certain tag goes outside of its standard operating conditions, you're going to go ahead and trigger a maintenance activity in eRPortal. That maintenance work order will have all the information that the technicians need to know in order to do that. What we've added new that we're showing this year is the ability to do some workflow-based notifications in addition to creating those work orders. So, for example, in addition to creating a work order, I can define a workflow notification response that should be executed whenever one of those condition-based triggers is hit. So for example, when that tag goes over a certain value or under a certain value, what I want to do is I want to notify a certain group of, examples here, maintenance supervisors, and I have different ways that I can notify them via SMS text message, email, voice call, and I can do that one of two ways. I can either have it go out to the entire group at once, or I can escalate it within the group. So if the first person within the group doesn't respond, it gets escalated to the next person within the group, so on and so forth, until someone acknowledges it, that they're looking into it. And then, of course, I can also create a work order using a specific work order definition that would contain the procedures and the parts necessary to complete that work order. And as an example of what one of those work orders would look like, let me just minimize this and bring this up. So when that work order has been created, here's a work order that's been triggered by that trigger rule that we set up earlier. It'll have all the information on it that the technician needs in order to complete the task, including procedures, attached documents, safety information. So if there's specific documents that the technician needs to see to do this, they can see that here. And the work order will also tell them the parts that they need in order to perform the work. And in addition to telling you the exact parts you need, also feeding into that concept of the connected enterprise is it also tells the technician where he can find these parts. We do that a couple ways. It can show quickly what distributors, what your preferred suppliers or distributors have on hand. It can show what you have on hand within other sites in your organization. So again, all this information being connected. And then finally, you also have the ability to see where these parts might be located nearby on a map view. So if you want to, go out that same day and get it rather than waiting overnight for it to be shipped to you, I can see, based upon where my current location is, I can see in a map view what local resellers, distributors have this part on hand, and I can, basically just click on there and see where that distributor is located and how many they have available.
Well, this is very powerful, and we appreciate the demonstration. And there's so much more to learn about this product and what eRPortal might be able to do for you. So go to the URL you see on your screen and find out how they might be able to help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2017 Automation Fair event. We'll see you next time.